fun. So what we were studying, students? We were studying about our 5th chapter, that is food we eat. In that chapter, we had studied about what? We had studied about the popular food grains as per the various places, various states, various directions also we can say. Then we had studied about what the eastern and the southern states is famous for, or what the people are eating in these states, in the southern and in the eastern states, in the northern plains. Okay, so after that we had started about the fruits and vegetables, right? So what we had studied about, there are various fruits and vegetables which are available to us throughout the year, but apart from this, we have also various fruits and vegetables which is seasonal, right? Now I am reading your topic. You all listen to me very carefully. Besides food grains, Indians also eat pulses, vegetables and fruits. In our last class, we had studied about the various food grains, but students, apart from this, we are eating also vegetables, fruits and pulses. Apart from this, we are also eating junk food, right? So pulses like arhar, moong, urad, masoor are eaten all over the country. Arhar, urad, moong, masoor, these are the pulses which we are eating in a regular basis. Now, farmers in different states grow different types of fruits and vegetables. Many fruits and vegetables are available throughout the year, which I have told you right now. We have number of fruits and vegetables which are available to us throughout the year. Like we have banana, apple. These are the fruits which are available to us throughout the year. Apart from this, if we'll talk about the fruits, there are fruits also that Prashansa had told us in our last class. That is, we have mango, watermelon, pear, kiwi. These are the fruits which are available in seasons. Now let us talk about the vegetables. There are various vegetables, like we have potatoes, okay, tomatoes, onion, chilies. These vegetables are available to us throughout the year. Apart from this, if we talk about the seasonal vegetables, we have spinach. Spinach को हम क्या बोलते हैं in Hindi? What we call it? Saag, right? Apart from this, carrot we have peas. What we call peas in Hindi? Matar. Okay, pumpkin, bitter gourd. These are the vegetables which are available to us as per the seasons. So some of the vegetables that are available throughout the year are potatoes. Shivam, sit properly. What are you doing, beta? Shivam, sit properly. Everyone sit straight. Everyone sit straight. I want to see everyone. Yes, very good, Vanshika. Parth, sit straight. Parth. Okay. Some of the vegetables that are available throughout the year are potatoes, brinjal, cabbage, tomato, cauliflower, onions, ladyfinger. Okay. And now let's move on towards the fruits. Which fruit is famous in which state we can say? We have some fruits and vegetables throughout the year, such as banana and apple. These two fruit, as we know that it is available throughout the year. Apart from this, what are the fruits that are available as per seasons? Mango, then we have watermelon, then we have pear, then we have pomegranate. The states of Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir are famous for a wide variety of apples. If suppose I'll ask to you, कि Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir is famous for which fruit? What you will say? It is famous for apples. Ritesh, sit properly, beta. Ritesh, Ranjan, I'm talking to you. Sit properly. Uttar Pradesh is famous for the best variety of mango. If I'll ask, tell me which state is famous for the best variety of mango, what you will say? Uttar Pradesh. Then we have the district of Nagpur in Maharashtra is famous for what? All of you look at your book, page number 28. Look at your book. The district of Nagpur is Nagpur in Maharashtra is famous for, we have oranges. Okay. Right now, students, we are studying about food we eat, various kinds of food that we are eating in our day-to-day life. Why we are eating fruits? Why we are eating food, students? To be fit, to be alive, to be healthy, to get the various kinds of vitamins, minerals, various kinds of carbohydrates, or you can say carbs, fat. Okay, that's why we are eating fruits in a day-to-day life. Simran, it is your chapter number 5, that is food we eat. It is your chapter number 5, that is food we eat. Take out your chapter number 5, that is food we eat. Then let's move on towards the next topic, that is types of food. Meat, egg, and fish are also very popular among the large section of Indians, right? I want to see how many of you are eating meat, egg, and fish. Raise your hand. I want to see. Yes, Shivam, Manya, only 2. Let me see. Yes, Yugrachna, Parth, Himanshu. Yes, Ansh, Rudra. Oh, Rudra is not eating that food. Okay, then we have Anmol, Ritesh, Aditya, Priyanshu, Vanshika, Iksha, Harsh. Okay. In my class, these are the students who are eating meat, egg, and fish. That means what I call you to you all. What I call? Should I call you non-vegetarians? Should I call you non-vegetarians? Yes. The person who is eating fish, meat, egg are considered or you can say are called as non-vegetarians. That means in my class 3, there are various students who are eating fish, meat, and egg, and they are called non-vegetarians. Now, people who eat meat, egg, and fish are called non-vegetarians. And people who are not eating these kinds of food, or you can say the people who are eating only vegetables, or the people who are not eating meat, egg, fish are called as vegetarians. Okay, students, clear? So in my class, I am looking, there are more than 50% of my students who are non-vegetarians. Those who live in the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Kerala. Iksha, what are you doing, beta? Why are you eating? Right now we are doing a study, na? Iksha, very bad, beta, very bad. Yes. Those who live in the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Kerala, West Bengal, and Andhra Pradesh eat a lot of fish. That means people who are living near the coastal areas or in the coastal areas, those people are eating lots of fish, and they like to eat fish with rice. Look at the picture, students. The people who are living in the coastal areas, usually they eat fish with rice. Then we have, now let's move on towards the next topic, that is the spices. In spices, we can say in Hindi, masala, right? Suppose your mama is preparing Maggie for you, and if she will not add the spices packet which is already given in the Maggie, which is already given in the packet of Maggie, if your mama will not add spices while cooking Maggie, students, do you think it will be tasty to you? Tasty for you to eat? Will it be tasty for you to eat without spices? Suppose your mama is making fish, meat, or paneer, and if she will not add various kinds of spices inside it while cooking, do you think that it will be tasty to you all for eating? Do you think it will be tasty for you? No, no? Yes. The importance of masala, or you can say spices, is it adds color, it adds taste, and makes the food very tasty. In India, we have lots of spices like chilies, cloves, turmeric, pepper. Look here, students. These are the spices which is being used in the kitchen for making food. Okay. But tell me one thing. If you will not cook, without oil, will it be tasty? If your mama will cook meat, fish, paneer, Maggie, noodles, will it be tasty for you to eat, beta, without oil? No, it will not be tasty. We have various kinds of oil that are being used in the kitchen for the purpose of cooking. Like we have ghee, we have mustard oil, we have groundnut oil, we have coconut oil, we have olive oil. Look here. Oil is used for cooking food. Some of the popular oils used in India are ghee, mustard oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil. Okay. So students, have you all understood the chapter? Now let's move on towards the textual. Rudra, coastal areas, the place where land and sea meet is the coastal areas. Okay, the place where the land and sea. The topic which we had studied in our first class, in our first chapter, Rudra. If you have doubt in the coastal areas, read the first chapter. You will be clear about that topic. Now let's move on towards the textual exercise. Everyone take out your pencil, your book. People in North India mostly eat rice, wheat, both of these. Tick on the option C, both of these. Take out your textual exercise. Chapter number 5, food we eat. People in North India mostly eat rice. Very good, Shivam. Rice, wheat, both of these. Answer will be both of these. Tick on the option C, that is both of these. People, very good, Manya. Students, whatever I am saying in your class, I am expecting from you that you will be reminded. What I have told you in my Second question. People in eastern and southern states mostly eat wheat, rice, maize. What will be answer? B number, that is rice. Very good, Manya. Rice. Tick on the option B, that is rice. R-I-C-E, rice. Question number 3. Dosa, idli, vada, etc. are dishes of people in, options are coastal area, western India. So dosa, idli are dishes of people living in South India. Click on the option B, that is South India. Done, everyone? Do like this. If you have done, do like this. Very good. Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are famous for a wide variety of, options are mangoes, apples, oranges. Answer is B number, that is apples. Okay, right now we are studying Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are famous for a wide variety of, very good Anmol, wide variety of apples. That is B number. Tick on the option B, that is apples. Question number 5. Nagpur is famous for apples, bananas, oranges. Answer will be C number, that is oranges. Tick on the option C, that is oranges. Oranges. Nagpur is famous for oranges. That means C number. Tick on the option C, that is oranges. Have you all done? Thumbs up. I want to see, have you all? Very good. Next. Very good. Question number B, that is fill in the blanks. Arhar, moong, urad and masoor are what? Okay. Prashansa, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, pulses.
Yes, Prashansa. A little bit slow, beta, little bit slow. Arhar, moong, urad and masoor are, what will be the answer?
Pulses.
Very good. Everyone write pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S. Pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S. Pulses. Okay. Very good. Have you all done? I want to see everyone. Thumbs up. Very good. Question number 2. Yes, Prashansa, read.
People in coastal areas eat rice and
What? Right now I have told you
wheat.
people in coastal areas eat rice and what?
Wheat.
Fish. Answer will be fish. Everyone write fish. People in coastal areas eat rice and fish. F-I-S-H. Very good. F-I-S-H. Iksha, right, beta? F-I-S-H. Fish. Very good, Anas. Very good. Read the next question, beta.
Chilies, cloves, pepper, turmeric, etc. are popular dash used in foods. Spices.
What are these? Chilies, cloves. Very good. Spices. S-P-I-C-E-S. Right, students? In question number 3, spices. S-P-I-C-E-S. Spices. S-P-I-C-E-S. Anas, have you done, beta? What are you doing? Yes, in question number 3, write spices. S-P-I-C-E-S. C-E-S. Spices. Read the next question. Read the next question, beta.
Dash is used in making food. Oil.
What will be the answer?
Oil.
Oil. Students? Oil. O-I-L. Very good. O-I-L. In question number 4, write oil. Oil is used in making food. Write oil. O-I-L. Okay, Rudra, wait, beta. Write oil. O-I-L. Oil. Have you all written? Do like this. I want to see. Very good. Read the next question. Very good.
Uttar Pradesh is famous for
What? Yes, tell me the answer. Uttar Pradesh is famous for what? See the options, but it is given there. It is given. See the options.
mangoes.
Very good. Mangoes. Uttar Pradesh is famous for mangoes.
Mango.
Now, Prashansa, mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Rudra, unmute yourself, beta. In question number 5, students write mangoes. Uttar Pradesh is famous for mangoes. M-A-N. Rudra, a noise is coming from your side. Tell them to be keep quiet. Uttar Pradesh is famous for mangoes. M-A-N-G-O-E-S. Mangoes. Now, what happened, Rudra? Okay, next. He is not available right now. Okay, Anas, unmute yourself. Yes, Anas. Yes, read beta.
Match
Match the following.
Rajasthan.
Yes, answer.
Jowar and Bajra.
Yes, very good. Students, match Rajasthan with Jowar and Bajra. That is E number. Match Rajasthan with E number. That is Jowar and Bajra. Question number 2.
Eastern India.
Yes, answer.
Rice.
Yes. Students, match Eastern India with D number. That is rice. Match Eastern India with D number. That is rice. R-I-C-E. Rice. Next, beta.
Coastal areas.
Yes, answer.
Rice and fish.
Yes, students, everyone. Right now, Anas is saying answers to you. Coastal areas with rice and fish. That is B number. Have you all done? Very good. Next question.
Mustard.
Yes, answer. Matching. Tell me.
Oil.
Mustard, that is cooking oil. Match mustard with C number. That is cooking oil. Everyone match mustard with C number. That is cooking oil. Last.
Nagpur.
Yes, answer.
Oranges.
Very good. Match Nagpur with A number, that is oranges. Everyone match Nagpur with A number, that is oranges. Have you all done? Do like this. Thumbs up. I want to see who have not done. Very good. Very good. Now students, we have completed our chapter 5. Take out this page. Take out this page. Page number. It is different in your book. Periodic test 1. That means we have to do this page, which is based upon the chapters 1 to 5. Anas, mute yourself. Anas, mute yourself, beta. Anas, mute yourself, beta. Yes. Right now we will do this page, periodic test 1. That is, here we have given various questions. We have given tick the correct answer, also fill in the blanks. We have identified the figure which is given here, pictures. Then also we have given few questions which is based upon the chapters 1 to 5. अभी तक हम लोगों ने जितने चैप्टर्स पढ़े बेटा उनसे रिलेटेड यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस है. I want to see who have understood the chapters from 1 to 5. Everyone, do it right now. I will give you 3 minutes. Only I will give you 3 minutes. Do it right now. All the questions are based on the chapters 1 to 5. Do it right now. I want to see who will give me the answers. Right now. Do it right now fast. And those who have done, take the correct answer, just raise your hand. Fast, students, fast. Right now, I am taking your test. And here are the questions given as per chapter 1 to 5, which we have studied. Do fast. I want to see who will answer, who is answering my questions. I want to see that. And those who have done, take the correct answer, just raise your hand. Fast, fast. I am not giving that much time. Only 3 minutes you have. Do fast. Yes, Aditya. Have you done, beta? You are raising your hand. Very good. Aditya, unmute yourself. Yes, Aditya.
The correct answer.
Very good. So everyone listen to Aditya. In this test, Aditya is first. Why? Because he have done, take the correct answer. Okay. Prashansa also have done. Then we have, who have done, take the correct answer. I want to see, raise your hand. Who have done? Ritesh also done. Himanshu also done. Very good. Then we have Manya also done. Very nice. Very good. Aiding also done. Ansh also done. Very good. Aditi, Ankit, Aryan, very nice. Okay. So start reading the question. Aditya, read the questions, beta. Take the correct answer.
The Earth's atmosphere extends upward for about 500 kilometers, 1,500 kilometers, 2,000 kilometers.
Tell me the answer.
500 kilometers.
Everyone, tick on the option A. That is 500 kilometers. Very good. Those who have done A number. I will give you 10 on 10. Very good. Next question.
Which among the following is the largest continent? Europe, North America, Asia. Answer will be Asia.
Asia. Yes, very good. Those who have done the correct answer, I will give you 10 on 10. Very good. So students, those who have not done, I am repeating the answer for you. The Earth's atmosphere extends upward for about, answer is A number, that is 500 kilometer. In question number 2, Asia is the largest continent. Okay, now Aditya, read the third question.
Third question. The Satpura Hills are in dash. West India, Central India, North India. Answer will be Central India. Answer will be
India.
Central India.
Very good. 10 on 10. Those who have done correct, 10 on 10. Answer is B number, that is Central India. Everyone tick on the option B, that is Central India. Now next question.
Next.
Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar is the capital of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. Answer will be Odisha.
Odisha. Yes, everyone. Those who have put a tick on C number, that is Odisha, I will give you 10 on 10. Very good. Right now, I am noticing who have ticked the correct answer. I am noticing you all. Yes. Put a tick on option C, that is Odisha. Yes, 5 number. Very good, Priyanshu. Very good. Read 5 number, beta.
Uttar Pradesh is famous for the best variety of oranges, grapes, mangoes. Answer will be mangoes.
Very good. Answer is mango. Those who have put a tick on C number, that is mango, right now, those students are first in my class. All the students who have put a correct tick on the options, all the students are first. In this class, all the students are first. Those who have put a correct tick. I want to see, raise your hand. I want to see who have done correct tick, right tick. Those who have done, everyone raise your hand. Those who have put a correct tick on A number, that is tick the correct answer, raise your hand. I want to see who have got 10 on 10 in my class. Who have done 10 on 10? Who have got 10 on 10? I want to see. Yes. Very good. Manya, then we have, yes. Anmol, then we have Priyanshu, Aditya. Aditya, very good. Then we have, I have told you to raise your hand, those who have done correct. Iksha, Eding, Simran, very good. Ankit, Anas, Vanshika, Shivam, Parth, Harsh. Very good. All these students and Prashansa. Yes, all these students have got 10 on 10 in first test. Do the B number, that is fill in the blanks. Everyone do question number B, that is fill in the blanks. Do question number B fast. I will give you 2 minutes only. Do question number B, that is fill in the blanks. Do question number B. Do fast, students.
किसका capital होता है?
All of you mute yourself. Vanshika, have you done B number? Vanshika, have you done B number? Fill in the blanks. Huh? Have you done, beta? Okay, Vanshika, unmute yourself. Vanshika, have you done B number? That is fill in the blanks.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Read the questions.
Jowar, bajra and wheat are popular in the desert state of Rajasthan.
Very good, Vanshika. In this class, Vanshika is first. Why? Because she has done fill in the blanks. Right, Rajasthan. 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 Ankit, what are you doing? Ankit. Right, Rajasthan. Right now we are doing question number B, that is fill in the blanks. Jowar, bajra and wheat are popular in the desert state of Rajasthan. 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 Read the next question.
Silvassa is the capital of Western India.
What? Silvassa is the capital of?
Western India.
No, beta. Who will tell me Silvassa is the capital of? Yes, who will tell me? Priyanshu, unmute yourself. Priyanshu, unmute yourself. Yes, Priyanshu. Yes, Priyanshu, unmute yourself, beta. But Priyanshu, option is given on your left side, beta. Click on that option. Click on that button. It is given there. Who will tell me question number 2? Silvassa is the capital of dash. Silvassa is the capital of blank. Who will tell me? Raise your